Hi guys, I'm Anna, Integration Manager here at Woodpecker, and today we're going to talk about our WordPress plugin. We've decided to build it because it can be a simple yet very powerful solution for all our clients who has their website set on WordPress. Basically, it allows you to put a simple form on your website, and once your prospect fills it, their data are pushed to Woodpecker or even to a specific campaign. Let me show you how it works. Here you can see a simple website with a form created in our plugin. As you can see, prospect can provide their email, first name, company, or even send you a message which will be later mapped to the snippets. You can customize the number of fields and their labels in the plugin settings, so let's see how this can be done. You can find our plugin in a WordPress plugin directory, install it, and then provide API key generated in Woodpecker in order to make the plugin works. Once you do that, you'll get the access to the shortcodes, prospects, and even more plugin settings. Let's focus on the shortcodes at first. Shortcodes allows you to send the prospect's data to the chosen Woodpecker destination, which could be a main prospects list or a specific campaign, as I said in the beginning of the video. Here you can see a list of campaigns created on your Woodpecker account, and each of these campaigns has a shortcode assigned to it. Simply copy it to the dashboard, go to the pages, find the page of your choice, and go to the edit mode. Now choose another block or add it, choose a shortcode, and just place the copied shortcode here. Remember to update your website in order to have the changes saved. And what is the outcome? It's the form available on your website. What you can do more with our plugin is a customization. So as I said before, simply go to settings, and here you can see a form fields. This is basically a list of every column or every piece of data you can assign to the prospect in Woodpecker, and you can add more fields if you want. You can show them or hide them from the prospect, or even set a custom label to them. Here you can see a list of Woodpecker fields, which is a drop-down, and you can map any information you have in your prospects list to the labels you've just set. What you can do also with our plugin is a customization of the appearance. Basically, our plugin will adjust to the theme you've just installed on your website, or maybe you have your own specific theme, but you can also set a different styling for this here in the form styling settings. What you can do also is to set up a custom messages for every time prospect fills the form, or even it's in your database, or there's some error. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to contact us and we will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more integration related content. Bye!